My OOTD outfit of the night, or who's going with me? Kayla's going with me as usual. Pice shortly. Suki, she's not coming because she's underage. Ush, who else have to be there? What are people to be there? Say hi, Katie. Hi. So I'm going to get ready shortly. Me have to curl my hair. Yeah, that's what I have to do. Curl my hair and just get ready and leave. But then again, the time is still too early. Because as you know, people don't really go to party early. And people go to party late, like around 2 o'clock in the morning. But then again, yeah. Oh yeah, do Katie? Yeah, sing. Yeah, so Kayla, or maybe Kayla might have to do my hair right now. I'm gonna make same here. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, and that's Monday. So I think see you guys tomorrow and I'll tell you everything about the party. So hope you all enjoy your night and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys? Or maybe later. I'm not really sure, so yeah. So tomorrow guys. Yes, I'm finally ready. Kayla! Oh, she's almost ready. I'm just wearing a romper and a upper slippers. This. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow to tell you about the party and how everything went and all. So see you later. Good morning you guys. I must tell you say, as we come back to tell you about the party, it's slapping. It was fun. Right now I'm having breakfast. I'm having ackee and sawfish and breadfruit. Not sure. Question: how you guys like on breadfruit? Roast or fried? Comment below. Well, me love my breadfruit when them fried, but me have them roasted. So I'm just gonna finish all of my breakfast, and then I don't know what I have in store today. So I'm just going with the flow. So I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Okay? You guys see Kayla from morning? When last time see it, Kayla? No, it's been a while, you know? Like the vlog before this. You see her. But I doubt it see her in this vlog. Say good evening.
Afternoon.
Yeah, she said good afternoon. She had to do some work as usual. She just hung out with some baby clothes. What? For what? I'm gone. Yeah, Kayla? Yeah. Why you say Katie? What? Why you say hi?
Hi.
Sure. Really?
Hi.
So, mega feed her. Alright, come for it. Suki, I'm on the outside. So I catch you guys short. Right now we are about to carry Mundi to the barbershop.
Yeah.
Me I follow him because it's not like say he's a baby, I carry him. So we just gonna follow him to the barbershop because he want to put him in.
Yeah, me a bushman. So.
You're not bushman, I said that.
So me gonna trim me here, yeah, so can go look good. Can go places, see.
So you're trying to say when you're in a trim, you don't go places?
Yeah, me not go places sometime, but me a trim.
So anyway, when we reach the barber shop or something, we'll come back to them.
Yeah. Yeah. Trim now, you see it? Yeah. Just come back from barber shop and handsome now down. You know, man.
I think Monday just talked to you guys a while ago, so I don't need to say anything. But we just reached one. I'm tired because we did walk from them that hill down there. Whew. Every time I come here, good exercise now, walking down the road and walking come back. Kayla, yeah? You're not tired? Yeah, man. Should I give you straight? Put that big bump here. I wonder who loves me. one of you guys love me. Ooh, it's lighting. So I'll catch you guys shortly. So after we came back from the barber shop, we were just chilling on the veranda and just talking, and then we had dinner, and then I fell asleep and just wake up. I wake up to that big bump here that happened me from there. But then again, I'm just come on this to end today's vlog. Just come for this to end today's vlog, and I'll see you guys later tomorrow. Bye guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Remember to subscribe and go tell your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, your mother, your father, your grandmother, your great grandmother, your great grandfather. Everybody forgot subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, cause mad things, crazy things coming soon. Subscribe, I say. You hear me say? Subscribe and like, and don't be afraid to comment below. I always reply to all my comments. Don't think if you comment I'm not to reply. I always do. So like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.